Hello again, guys. Welcome back. Me and Palina here today. Again, I have to say, my wife is putting makeup on a client. Remember, I always tell you, if you need a good makeup, you gotta call her. She's way too busy, So make sure you call her whenever you need makeup. So what we cooking today is something very delicious. It's gonna be lamb, beef, and chicken inside. Something very interesting. Palina, you looking forward to it?
I'm very excited.
Yeah, me too. I'm also looking forward to it. So let's start. It's pretty cold. And again, guys, thank you for all your nice comments. As we mentioned before, we're gonna make something very, very delicious. The spare beef ribs, chicken drumsticks over here, and lamb chops. So here we have shiitake mushrooms, tomatoes, and garlic, French fries. We're gonna do on the side to put it on top, and dill. So now I'm gonna add the oil. So let's wait for the oil to be hot, and we're gonna start frying. Till my oil gonna be ready, that I should start frying. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna cut the tomatoes. I'm gonna use 3 tomatoes, okay? For the amount that I'm doing. So the size that you have to do, just like this. That's good enough. Because usually they all melt anyway inside, so it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna chop some garlic also. Maybe this is like around 8-9 pieces of garlic, okay? So I'm chopping it for the amount that I'm doing. So I'm gonna prepare this thing until the oil gets hot, and then we're gonna start giving a nice golden color to our beef, lamb, chicken before we're gonna continue cooking it for a little bit longer. Okay guys, now we're gonna give a nice golden color to our meat. I'm gonna take them out, put them over here. Oh, baby, baby. Now we're gonna put our lamb chops. Also the same thing, we're gonna give a nice golden color. My lamb has also nice golden color. Take them out. The chicken right now. Chicken drumsticks. I'm gonna take my chicken drumstick out. That nice color also. Look at this plate is so heavy, it's so much meat in it. Now that I fried my ribs, lamb chops, and chicken drumsticks, now we're gonna take the oil out. And we're gonna make this food delicious right now. So we're gonna take majority of the oil out. We're gonna leave just a little bit. And don't forget, you can do the same way in the house. If you don't have a kazan, you do the same thing. I cook outside because my wife does not allow me inside the house to cook. Okay, so approximately, let's see, that's good enough, okay? That's the amount of the oil we're gonna leave. Now I'm gonna put garlic. Garlic cooks very fast, so you always have to make sure you watch it. Okay, so it's exactly a couple seconds. The garlic gonna be cooked.
Ooh, it smells so good.
Garlic always smells good. Just stay there, Palina. I want to show them how long it takes for garlic to cook. You see? It's a live thing. Look, it's almost cooked already. Okay, so you don't want to overcook the garlic. Very bad to overcook the garlic. Now we're gonna put the tomatoes. Okay, in about a minute from now, we're gonna put all the meat and the lamb, everything back. You see the way the tomato looks? Couple more seconds. That should be good. All our beauty. You watch this thing? Look how good it looks. Mix a little bit. Now we're gonna add salt, approximately this much. And then if it's missing, you put a little bit more, okay? Black pepper. I always like a little bit extra black pepper. And we're gonna put cumin. See, approximately this much. Squish them. 15-ounce tomato sauce. I'm gonna put maybe a little less than half, okay? I'm gonna put 2 cups of boiling water. Give it a nice mix. Yeah, it's not easy to twist this thing. There's so much meat, so much meat. Okay, so now that we mix it, the big pieces, I'm just gonna fix it nice on the side. Just like this. See? That's good. Let me just do a quick taste. That's good. We're gonna close it for at least an hour and a half to 2 hours. I'll keep you posted. We're gonna prepare the French fries for our delicious food. Okay, we're gonna keep the potatoes inside the water until we're gonna start frying them, which is gonna be another 15 minutes from now. So for now, always keep it inside the water, otherwise it changes color. We're gonna prepare the shiitake mushroom, right? So you gotta cut the stem. The shiitake mushroom is ready. We're gonna fry them, drop, and we're gonna put them on top of the French fries. And now I wanna chop some garlic and dill. That's gonna go on top of the French fries and the food when it's ready. So I just like to prepare it and leave it on the side for now. Okay, a little bit chopped dill, and we're gonna mix it with the garlic. That should be good. Let's mix it. Now we're gonna start our French fries. See the beautiful fire in a cold winter day? It keeps us warm, right? Does it keep you
really
warm?
does.
So what we're gonna do is that when the pot gonna get hot, we're gonna use the same oil we used to fry the. Remember, we give a nice golden color to the beef, to the lamb, and to the chicken. That's the same oil, so we're gonna use it for French fries. Has a special taste in it, you know, from all the meat, so it will give a nice flavor to the French fries also. Okay, so once the pot gets hot, we'll add the oil. We'll add the oil. That should be perfect. Okay, for our French fries, salt. We're gonna put black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. That should be good. Mix it all up. Our oil is hot. Let's put all the French fries slowly. For our mushroom, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Mushroom cooking over here. Our French fries almost done, and our food. Oh baby, look at this food. The main event. The main event is right here for all the meat lovers like myself and Polina. Okay, so in a few minutes, everything will be ready. Oh my God, so delicious. A little kosher salt on top of the mushroom. Okay guys, the mushroom is ready. Let's take the French fries out. French fries also ready. Oh, what a beautiful French fries. Everything is ready. Oh, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Now our mushroom. Shiitake mushroom. Look at this beautiful food. Okay guys, a little juice. Now I'm gonna put my dill and garlic on top. Too bad my wife is not here to taste it. But guess who likes meat in this house?
Me.
And lamb. The food is ready. Again, me and Polina doing the testing. Looks like only me and Polina are gonna gain weight soon. Because lately my wife is doing makeup and we cooking and we eating. Okay guys, let's taste it. This was a very special food, right? There was meat, lamb and chicken and French fries and shiitake mushroom inside. It smells amazing. I wish you could smell it, but we'll tell you our honest opinion. Polina, go ahead.
Alright, so I see It was cooked so long that everything's falling off the bone, so I'm going to take my favorite part of the chicken.
Approximately it was cooked an hour and a half. And
Oh my god.
you want to take anything else before I
So
start?
good.
Before I start,
Alright,
because I'm very hungry.
This lamb chop is looking at me, so I'm going to take that.
And guys, look at this. Look at the meat. Look at those rib thing. I think this is
The
what I'm gonna
ribs
eat
look
soon.
amazing.
How is it?
So good. Oh my god, so good. You have to try it.
Let me try it. Let me go for a piece of chicken that fell out. Oh my god.
I'm going to keep
tastes
eating.
amazing.
I'm going to try some of the french
Wow.
fries.
The funny thing is, outside it's so cold. The minute you take the food out, it gets very fast cold, right? Am I right?
It really does. So you got to eat quick.
I'm gonna take one lamb chop. Happens to be my favorite thing. Lamb. Wow.
Good, right? So good.
Guys, amazing. Try this thing at home. Very, very delicious. Guys, pleasure being with you. It is very cold outside. The food tastes amazing. Usually, you know, I sit over here like 10 minutes doing testing. But this time we're gonna run right back home.
We really just got to run back inside and eat all this amazing food. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this delicious dish. Don't forget to try this dish and let us know if you guys like it. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and our jewelry page. That will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it. And I think that's it.
And again, as I always mention, you can do this thing the same way I did at home on your stove. If you don't have a kazan to do it outside, or if you don't want to freeze like me and Polina freezing right now, you can do this thing at home. Pleasure being with you guys. You can check me out at LB Diamond 23 West 47th Street if you need anything. Until then, salute. Hope to see you next time. Stay safe. Take care.
Bye.